Some of the main components of fitness are muscular strength and muscular endurance. Muscular strength is the ability to exert or use the maximum amount of force you have for a short period of time. For example, lifting a really heavy box or lifting weights, heavy weights, 5 to 8 times. Muscular endurance is the ability to repeat an exercise over a long period of time. For example, doing squats for 2 minutes straight. Muscular strength and muscular endurance both have their benefits. Muscular strength helps our muscles to become stronger and our bones to become denser. Muscular endurance helps our muscles to be able to repeat an activity or to be able to do an exercise over and over for a long period of time. Both muscular strength and muscular endurance help us by preventing injuries. Stronger muscles that can repeat activities over a long period of time are less likely to see injuries. Muscular strength and muscular endurance also help us get better or improve our performance in sport.